Hey, what's up guys? This is Joe from Excel by Joe. In this video, I'm going to show you how to conditionally format different cells so they'll stand out when you're looking at the different data when you're doing your research for Daily Fantasy. So we'll get into that in 1 second. Let me just tell you quickly about my video course. If anyone's interested in checking out, it's at www.spreadsheetsschooldfs.com, where I have about 6 hours of videos showing you how to use spreadsheets to improve your DFS research. And I also have lineup optimizers at optimizelineups.com. They're just one-time payments to get spreadsheet tools. They're all done in Excel that you can use to pick better lineups. So now let's get into the video here. So we've got this right here. This is the DraftKings export. And I'm going to show you how to conditionally format a few items. First, let's say we have the teams and we want to highlight just a certain team. So you can go up to Home up here, then Conditional Format, and then you can. We're going to start off with this first simple one, the highlight cell rules. We can have greater than, less than. Since this is text, we'll just do equals to. And say we want to put all the Miami players. So I just type in MIA. We can put in light red. We can change it to yellow or green or whatever we want. We'll click OK. And now it just simply picks all the Miami players up. And if something changes, becomes Miami. It's dynamic, so it updates it. So I mean that's pretty quick and easy to do for text. But the main reason of using conditional formatting is for dollar amounts. So I'm going to look at the average points per game. And we're going to highlight the whole column. We're going to do conditional formatting, highlight cells, and let's say greater than. And here, format cells that are greater than, say greater than 35. Those are the players we want to look at. Say in light red. We'll click OK. There, see, it's highlighting the people in red that have greater than 35. And if we wanted to do a little further, we can also we can change it. Say if we want to all of a sudden become 30, it's going to do more. If we wanted to do, say, 40, you can change the color. You can also do, if you want to just make it text, you can change the text. So, that's in red. Or you can even do a custom format. And maybe you want to change the type. You can put a border around it. Maybe we'll put a border around it. And see how it put a border around all of them that have that criteria. So then if right now this is sorted by amount, so it's really easy to tell. But say if we were sorting by something else, say if we just had it sorted by player name, then it's not as easy to spot the players that are over 35. Like here, when you have it highlighted, so you can see these are the ones that are over 35. And if all of a sudden this one had changed, this becomes, say, 36, now all of a sudden that one's going to become highlighted. And you can also do more than that, too. If you want to do conditional formatting, you can do the top items, say the top 10 items. So it'll be the highest ones in green. You press OK. Now, no matter how many there are, it's just going to look at the top 10 items and put them in green, as you can see. And you can do more also, which I kind of like these data bars. What that's going to do is say it's going to kind of give you like a little chart right on the number and say we'll just do green. It doesn't really matter. So now if you look at it, see, you can kind of tell, see the players with the higher points per game, their whole bar, like the whole chart is almost filled in. But the ones that like here, this one only is 10, so there's not too much of the chart filled in. This one is 15, and it's a little bit higher. So it's kind of cool where you can kind of see. It gives you a little better visualize the data, and you can do the same thing, say, for the salaries. Say we want to do data bars, but we'll make it red for this one. So now you can also see, like here's 30 points, and also the salary, and then you can increase it too to make that stand out a bit. So it's a good way to visualize the data, and it's still, you can format the numbers if you want to put them on the left side, if you wanted, however you want. But those are different ways to conditionally format numbers, and there's still a lot of other ways, but these aren't quite as important as I feel as doing these top 3 ones. So those are great ways to make your data stand out, especially if you're sending this out to people, or even just to have it set for your own self to quickly research, to get your research done faster. So that's what it's all about doing this quicker and making more money. So that's it. Again, check out my school at spreadsheetsschooldfs.com, or my lineup optimizers at optimizelineups.com. They're done in spreadsheets. And if you have any questions, let me know. There's a link down below to download these spreadsheets. And great. Have a good day. Bye.